recommendation to Reeco, and I think also the simplicity of it. Lau was lovely to deal with. Yeah, it just felt like a no-brainer. Really smoothly. I think we were up and running quite quickly. I think we came in over the weekend, so it minimised disruption. But yeah, it went really well. Yeah. I think basically in streamlining the process, it's made the line run more efficiently. And we've been able to take that use of labour where it's doing heavy lifting, manual repetitive labour, and put them into doing something where they can have more of an impact on the overall business. Yeah, I think obviously it's been a really good thing for us, but just do your homework. We went to Reeco, we took all our product in there, we checked that they could cope with it, and we got a video of the palletisation happening that sort of made us feel confident with the process before we bought the machine.